In this video, I will demonstrate how editors with appropriate permissions can reassign submissions from one editor to another in Editorial Manager. If you do not see any of the options discussed in this video, please contact your journal manager or other support contact with any questions regarding editor permissions for your journal. I will now explain how to reassign a single submission from one editor to another. This is intended to be used when an editor needs to be removed from the list of assigned editors or be replaced by a different editor. From the editor's main menu screen, click on the Search Submissions function or one of the status folders in the Subordinate Editors Pending Assignments section to locate the submission you wish to change. From the Manuscripts Action list, click on Unassign Editor. Please be aware that the Unassign Editor option will only appear for editors with appropriate permissions and for submissions that are not currently being edited, have not had an editor decision, or have not been sent back to the author. To replace an editor, in the Modify Editor Chain screen, select a name in the New Editor column. Only editors with the same role as the currently assigned editor will appear. If the current assigned editor is the only person with that role, the message "No available user has this role" will appear. Change the role from the drop-down and select someone from the new editor list. To remove one step of the chain entirely, click the trash can icon on that row. Doing this will reduce the number of editors in the chain. After making all necessary changes, click on the Confirm Selections button to proceed with either the default or customized letters. This is how to reassign a single manuscript from one editor to another in Editorial Manager. We will now move to the next section, where I will explain how a batch of submissions can be reassigned from one editor to another in Editorial Manager. This process is intended for situations where an editor is transitioning to a new role or leaving the journal. For a submission to be included in a batch transfer, the following conditions must be met. The old editor and the new editor must have the same editor role, and there should be no automated reminders saved by the old editor. If you require any assistance, please contact your journal manager or other support contact with any questions regarding your journal's configuration. From the editor's main menu screen, click on Search People to locate the current editor from whom the assignments will be transferred. After locating the current editor's profile, click on the user's name to proceed. In the User Information section, click on the Transfer Editor Assignments button. This will display a list of all active assignments of the current editor. Tick to select one or more assignments to be transferred to the new editor. Click Proceed when ready to continue. In the Replace Editor for Selected Submissions screen, complete the Select New Editor section by selecting a new editor from the drop-down menu. Select the Editor Notice Batch Unassignment letter for the old editor, or tick Do Not Send to skip sending a letter to the outgoing editor. Next, select the Editor Notice Batch Assignment letter for the new editor. Before completing this step, verify once more that all the chosen submissions should be reassigned. To remove a submission from the list, tick the appropriate manuscript under the Do Not Assign column. Once confirmed, click Proceed to complete the transfer process. This is how to reassign a batch of submissions from one editor to another in Editorial Manager. Please visit the Journal Article Publishing Support Center should you require further information. Thank you for watching.